Morning students, I am Snigdha Mati. I teach English in Vivekananda Public School. Let us we will start our English literature chapter 8, The Hungry Vacuum Cleaner. Here we will discuss about a vacuum cleaner. How vacuum cleaner is help to us, what he wants. We just want to discuss a thing. Vacuum cleaner is a thing. All of you know in the shop they have a vacuum cleaner nowadays, how it helps us and how we will save our time. Okay, next. Cleany was a vacuum cleaner. He wanted to clean up a real mess. He wanted to the children to spill cornflakes on the carpet so he could shove them in his hollow empty tummy. Okay, let us discuss this paragraph. Here vacuum cleaner we just name as a cleaning. He wanted to clean all the floor. How it will be clean? If the children will throw beds, cornflakes, nuts, some eating parts, then only it will clean. And vacuum cleaner wants the children must put all these things in the ground so that he will soak it, he will eat it in his mouth. Okay, he wanted the dog to tear off all the pillows and litter the floor. He wanted daddy to drop nails and pins all over the house so he could swallow everything. He was always so hungry. What happened? Vacuum cleaner always hungry. He wanted that, see the picture here, how the vacuum cleaner is cleaning all this dust were here, and how he will clean these things we will explain. And he wanted that dog tear the papers, daddy also fail the pins, knots, drops all the nails, the cutting the nails and drops on the floor. All these things just sprayed on the house so that he will swallow. What is the meaning of swallow? It's just taking inside the mouth. And hollow, it is empty. Litter, it is dirty. So what is the meaning of litter here? It will swallow the pillows and litters. That is if you tear the pillows, then what we will get out? The dirties that will be sprayed on the floor. And he was always hungry to take all these things. Now come to second paragraph. One day, mummy took Cleany to Tara's room. Tara was 7 and not very tidy. Mummy was not pleased to see muddle in her room. What happened? Here we will discuss about a family where Tara and her mother is there. Tara is spreading all these things on her mother room, and mother don't like all these things and wants to clean the room. What is the meaning of muddle? Meaning of muddle is your mess. Okay. Next, there were clothes on the bed. There were books and toys scattered on the floor. When Cleany saw the mess, he cheered up. If mummy would let him, he would shook up the books, toys, and began tidy up with her hands. She folded the clothes and put them away in the cupboard. She picked up the books and put them on the shelves. She put all the toys in the box. What happened? Tara's mummy, when entered to the room, she saw that how Tara is spreading all these things on the floor. And when the vacuum cleaner saw all these things, now see the Tara's room. See the Tara's room is like this, and here the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is so happy. Why? Because all these things just spreading on the floor. Here muddle, scattered means spread the things here and there. Here just all these things are spreading on the floor. So, and she picked up the books and put it in the shelves, and she put all the toys in the toy box. Who put? Mother of the Tara. Okay. Now come to page number 49. Come to page number 49. What's the point of my being here if she is not going to let me do anything? Grumbled Cleany to himself. What happened? Why Cleany is angry? Because mother is collecting all these things and put it in the cupboard. Then what is the thing? How he will clean? How he will soak the dirty? So Cleany is angry. Who is Cleany? Cleany is your vacuum cleaner. Okay, next. But then mummy squeezed Cleany on and put him on the carpet. What happened? Because all these things, see the pictures, the mummy Tara is spreading all these things on the floor. So other things like your cloth, toys, mummy is keeping inside the cupboard. But the things were spreading on the floor. Who will clean? Vacuum cleaner is clean. Then mummy switch on the vacuum cleaner and put it on the carpet where other things are spreading here and there. Next, Cleany soaked up some dust. Next he gobbled up a heap of torn paper. Then he put his nose under the bed and soaked up some cobwebs. He chewed up some toffee wrappers. Then Cleany saw a teeny teddy bear laying under a chair. That was Tara's favorite toy. Every night she took him to the bed with her. What happened? Cleany soaked all these things, almost all the dust, and gobbled to heap here and there and collect the torn paper and then put it on his nose and going to the near the bed and soaked all the dirty things. But when Cleany saw there is a little teddy bear under the bench, under her chair, and Cleany saw that this teddy bear is Tara's favorite teddy bear, and every night Tara took it her and sleep at the night time. Next, Cleany swallowed teeny teddy in a big glove. Cleany swallowed the teeny teddy. That night Tara couldn't find teeny teddy anywhere. When teeny vacuum cleaner swallowed the teddy bear, and when the Tara wants to take that teddy bear, at that time teddy bears are not there. Then what happened to Tara? How Tara feel? Next morning, when mommy was cleaning Cleany, she found teeny teddy fast asleep inside him. Tara was happy, but she wanted to punish Cleany, so she locked him in a dark cupboard below the stairs with only boxes and buckets and brooms for the company. What happened? Next morning, when Tara saw that when mummy is cleaning Cleany, she found that teeny teddy is fast asleep inside him, and Tara was happy because she was searching the teddy bear from yesterday night. When she saw, she was happy, but she is getting angry because teeny teddy Cleany was keep her teddy bear, and she locked the vacuum cleaner Cleany in the cupboard where all the brooms, buckets and other things are which will give to the company. Cleany was so bored. What happened? Cleany was so bored because there is no dust to whom it will clean, and vacuum cleaner Cleany wanted to soak all these things. If there is nothing, then what he will eat? Okay, today your chapter 1, chapter 8 over. Next class we will do our book work. So till then, stay safe. Have a nice day.